In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple calendars in Calendly in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in to make sure you have all the tools you need to seamlessly integrate your schedules from different platforms. First, we want to head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the login button. It should be easy to spot and will direct you to the login page. Now go ahead and enter your email address. Once you've done that, click continue. This takes you to the password page where you'll enter your password. After inputting your password, click continue once more and you'll land on the Calendly homepage. Now that we're on the homepage, we want to navigate to the top menu and find the option that says integrations and apps. Click on it. This section is where the magic happens and offers various integrations that Calendly supports. For this tutorial, we're focusing on calendar integrations, so go ahead and click on Google Calendar. This is just one of the options Calendly offers, but it's a popular choice for many people. The next thing you'll see is an option to connect a calendar account. Click on this to open up your choices for integration. Calendly supports multiple calendar platforms, allowing you to bring all your schedules under one roof. Here you'll see the option to add calendars. You might notice different choices like Google, Outlook, and Exchange calendars. This is particularly useful if you happen to use more than one email provider for your scheduling needs. You can add as many as you need and Calendly will help keep your bookings in sync across all your linked accounts. When you're ready to proceed, choose the calendar service you want to integrate and follow the prompts. For Google Calendar, for instance, it will ask you to sign into your Google account and request permission to access your calendar information. Rest assured, Calendly only uses these permissions to streamline and coordinate your calendar events efficiently. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your multiple calendars will now be integrated, allowing you to manage your appointments more effectively without worrying about double bookings or missed events. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in setting up your Calendly account with multiple calendars. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.